Hauzik Faubugi Maruiba Pausing, Miam the Pizere. Nurse Hiba Shinpham ase kathokpatana masaruk Oiba Lemjaningai Oiba Shinpham amane Shinpham asina healthcare da loriba thotang asidi mapal naide haina Babina Group ki Managing Director Thangjam Dabalina Phungdorakle Khabai soida leiba Babina Specialty Hospital dangasi pangthokiba International Nurses Day gi thauramga mari leinana wafam ase phongdokladuna makhatana hai ngasi ase The Lady with the Lamb hairaga khangnaba Florence Nightingale ge mapuk numit ne Numit ase malemgi mafam khodimakta International Nurses Day haina palan taunare Florence Nightingale yamna nungaiba awat apa leitaba imung amagi majane adubo mahak angang oiringai matamdagi hauna ason anasingi mating pangba yamna pamjana haurakhe matamadu da formal nursing profession nasi leiramde adubo mahak na pamjaba Shinpham ama oirubana Kumja Lissingamaga Chani Pal Yankai Hundoi the Gay, Lissingamaga Chani Pal Yankai Hundoi Fawda Sokan Kiba, Crimean Warda Asoga Pandang Laba Lami Sing Mahakta, Ayuk Nungtil Numidang Kaidan Mading Pangke, Madumak Nangasi de Malim Pumbana Mahakpo, Ikai Kumnaba Utpoena, The Lady with the Lamb Haina Kangna Ribane, Mahaki Katokpa Madi Minungsi Chaubugi Magunaduna, Nursing Profession Nasi Lemjaningai Oiba Shinpham Ama Oina, Malim Pumbana Sakangna Day, Ngasidi Nursing Profession Nasi healthcare da jawrba thogdang ama lawri haina so mahakna makata na phongdokhi.
And regarding our nursing institute, it's a very young institute. It just started last year. The first batch is with us now. The infrastructure is ready. They have started their classes, completed second semesters, and waiting to enter the third semester. Almost all the formalities are complete, and we are just waiting the Indian Nursing Council's approval. And there was supposed to be an inspection for the final approval, but unfortunately because of the disturbances in Manipur, that assessment was cancelled or postponed. So anytime they may again fix the date and then the inspection will be completed. Then and then this institute is formally recognized by the Indian Nursing Council. But that's bound to happen. It's under process.
Hauram Maduga Mari Lainana Manipur University ki Controller of Examination T. Santikumar na hai Manipur University ki Makhada Hauziki Oina Nursing Institute Tara Mapal Lai Nursing Institute Tara Mapal Asida Hauzik Mahirui Chamanga gi mathakta Nursing Tamle Nursing ki Shinpham haibasi icham chamba Shinpham ama nate Shinpham asi humanity amade kathokpada yumpham oiba yamna limjaningai oiba Shinpham amane India gi oina nurse ki masing asi aduki matik nemi miyoi listing amada nurse ani fawba yaudaba ratio da leide patient nurse ratio asimak World Health Organization na piriba ratio ki makhada leibana healthcare sector da nurse masing watpagi chang wang na lei maram asida nursing professionals sing asi tangai fadana masing hengat hanba mathau tari haina mahak na makata na phongdokhi.
From the United Kingdom and the US to Australia and the Gulf nations, Indian trained nurses are celebrated for their clinical competence and compassion. You are entering a profession where your skills are a global currency. The second half of our team, Empower Nurses and Lives, reminds us that empowerment comes from high quality education and professional recognition. When a nurse is empowered with right tools and authority, patient outcomes improve dramatically. You are the first line of defense and the final voice of advocacy for those in pain.